Guys, I just arrived. I took a nap and I'm going to pick my nose out for the first time. I'm so not used to these old buildings. It reminds me a little bit of Barcelona. A lot of noise outside. Homeless people. A lot of people. Sounds in the room. What's happening? It's a bit raining, I think. Huge door, just like in Barcelona. So I'm just in some random streets for now. Recommendation of the bed and breakfast owner. Some streets with a lot of shops, etc. I'm gonna eat later. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a better plan with the streets that I like recommended to see. Today is kind of random. I can't believe how like old and shitty it is. Like I know there are other areas. This is just the beginning, and I'm around the central station. But like shitty in a way, you know, like old and dirty, a lot of garbage. Quite interesting. So let me just show you this street. These are just, of course, my first impressions, like first minutes. You know, after arriving from Finland, where everything is so organized and people are not crossing on a red light. And here, people are crossing on a red light just in front of cars. Unbelievable. I mean, I cross on red lights in Finland, but yeah, it's still organized. Look how much noise comparing to all the silence. But actually, I was just curious. To see how I would react to this, so I'm watching my reaction. Also, for the first time in a long time, you know, I live in Finland, everything's very safe there. For the first time I'm like nervous, you know, guarding my stuff. In Barcelona you have to do that too, but I was used to that. In Finland you don't have to do that, so I was very relaxed. Okay, so anyway, these are just first minutes. Raining. Well, it started to rain. My first day here and it's raining, which is okay as long as it doesn't rain too much. I am now just randomly walking around. Tomorrow I have a bigger plan. It reminds me very much of Barcelona, some of the streets. Very small streets like that, old buildings. I see they still have phone booths, for example. Cake I had was a small cake, not very good one though, which is strange because I usually love cakes. €3. Glass of wine, €5.50. It's a good price. In Finland you will pay like €8.50. I'm so used to everywhere being having lights. Like, I mean, in Finland, every small street has lights. which is sometimes even absurd because there's no cars and people are waiting. But here, look, huge traffic, no lights, people are just crossing however they want. So let's just go for it. Would never happen in Finland. Yeah, what the hell is this? Bunch of clothes. Naked chick. Bunch of clothes. No idea. It's like an extra day because I didn't consider this day. I thought I would be sleeping. Nice. In a way, it's nice it's raining because not many people are around. No idea where I am, by the way. Amazing. So many intricate details and bohemian stuff. They are really huge about football here. In case you didn't know.
I found the problem.
Back. Yeah.
No.
Okay. Do you eat pizza with a fork and knife or in hand?
Okay. It's your choice.
It's my first time.
Yeah. You can cut and it's done.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Sina?